Hi guys, here brand new video. In this video we're gonna explain linear equations, an important topic that you have in IGCSE O-level maths. It's so important to know what is linear equation and how to solve it. What is a linear equation? A linear equation that has one unknown. This unknown can be x, can be y, can be z, can be any alphabet. Let's get an example. 3x minus 1 equal x plus 9. We have both variables. What is the unknown here? The unknown here is x. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna collect like terms. So 3x, when you go to the other side, it's gonna be minus x. So minus x equal this one, it's -1. When you put it on the other side, it will be plus 1. So 9 plus 1. 3x minus x. By the way, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Any variable that we don't know the value of it, and it's only x without a coefficient, its value will be 1. So 3x minus x is equal to 2x equal 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Common sense. So we're gonna do the x to the other side. 10 upon 2 equal what? Equal 5. So x equal 5. That's our final answer. There is some intelligent way to check my answer. What is it? So I got my x, it's equal to 5, right? So I'm gonna do is substitute. So okay, I can check my answer. So 3 multiplied by 5, -1. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 minus 1. So 15 minus 1 equal 14. That's the first side. So 14 equal, we got that 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, right? Because 14 is the value of the other side. So if we did 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So when you get the same answer for both, you know that your answer is 100% correct. But you have to show you're working like that. When you know that your answer is 100% correct, let's get another one. When I have an important type of question, 40 upon x minus 3 equals 6. So 40 x minus 3 equals 6. So I'm gonna assume that there is a 1 over the 6. So 40 multiplied by 1 is 40 equal, cross multiplication, of course, cross multiplication. So 6x minus 3 equal 40. Oh, sorry, my iPad. 40 equal. So we're gonna expand the brackets, a simple expanding. So 6x minus 18. So we said that we have to collect the same terms. Here x, the x or the unknown, it's better to have it on the left hand side. That's better to have it on the left hand side. So x, we're gonna minus 6x. So my equation will look like minus 6x. We have no x's in the equation, so my answer is 100% correct. Equal the 40. When we go to the other side, it's gonna be minus 40, right? So minus 40, and we already have minus 18. I haven't moved it. That's my answer. So I have to collect like terms. Negative 6x equal negative 40 and negative 40. It's gonna both negative, right? So negative with negative should be plus. So 40 plus 18 equal 8 and 5 equal 58. So we're gonna do the here. So minus 6 upon minus 58. Minus 6 or 58. So x is gonna be 9.67. That's my final answer. I have to substitute. So it's here, it's 40, right? Plus 6 by x minus 3. We said that x is 9.67. 67. So if you expanded the bracket, you would find that 40 is my answer. And if you have checked that 40 is your answer is 100% correct. Let's get another answer. It's a new idea, I know. So 4 with 2x minus 1 equal 10x plus 19. Simple and easy. I have a rule in math called BIDMAS, which means we should start with brackets, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. What does that mean? Brackets, that we should, when we have a bracket on a math, when we have a bracket, we should start with the bracket. If we have division, we should start with division. If we have multiplication, we should start with multiplication. If we have addition, we should start and so on. Here we have brackets, so we should always start with brackets. So 4 multiplied by 2 equal 8. We have the x, it goes down, so it's gonna be x. 4 multiplied by negative 1, negative plus multiply minus equal minus, so negative 4 equal, equal 10x plus 19. We should that x should be in left hand side, right? So on the left we're gonna do 8x minus 10x. Here the 4, it's gonna be plus 4. So 4, yeah, the plus you can write it or you can't, it's up to you. Plus 19 minus 10x plus 8x is equal to negative 2x equal plus 4 plus 19. It's a normal addition. It's gonna be 23, right? So x equal, we have a negative and a plus, so my answer would be a negative. So negative, what will be my answer? 11.5. You can come here on the side of the page, substitute. It's not on the mark scheme. It's not something important. It's just for you to check your answer. Substitute 8 multiply negative 11.5 is equal to 10 multiply 11.5 and negative 11.5 plus 19. When you do it on the calculator, or you should calculate, you can do it by your mind, you're gonna get the same answer. This side is equal to this side. That's an important topic. You have to know something, that when you have two fractions, you have different denominator, we can't add them. We should, for example, I have 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. I can't just do it. If I don't have a common factor between them, I can just do 6 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4, and 4 multiplied by 6, and 3 multiplied by 6. So what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be 18 upon 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24, plus 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So it's gonna be 20 upon 24. We have the same denominator, so we're gonna plus it. Sorry, we're not gonna plus it. So with 24, 18 plus 20, it's gonna be 38. That's my final answer. For example, I have 6. For example, if I have 6, we're gonna continue a cross multiplication upon 1 here like that. That's my final answer. Let's get an example. When we have, for example, 3 multiply 3x negative 2 upon 4 plus 4 multiply plus 4 multiply 2x minus 3, there's no 4 here, 3 equal 5 multiply 4 multiply equal 5. Here I should do an important thing. I'm gonna add the denominators together. 4 plus 3 equal what? Equal 7. That what should I know? So here I'm gonna multiply 5 by 4 and then by 3, right? So it's gonna be 40. Sorry, it's gonna be 60. So I have the 60 on the right hand side. How can I do this together? It's important to do this together. I'm gonna rewrite it because I've done a lot of junk, to be honest. 3x negative 2 upon 4 plus 2x plus 3 upon 3 equal 5. That's my equation that I should solve. Here I'm gonna do cross multiplication, right? So it's gonna be 4 bracket 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 plus 3 and bracket 3x negative 2, 3x minus 2, yeah, like that. Oh no, yeah, equal 5 multiply the both denominators here, which will be 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So let's expand. 4 is equal to 8x plus 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 plus 9x negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 equal to negative 6 equal 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. So equal 60. Collect like terms. We aren't moving it to the other side, so we aren't changing signs. So 9 plus 8 is equal to 70, but we shouldn't forget the x. It's gonna be the same, because I see a lot of students doing negative x power 2. That is 100% not correct. So it's gonna be plus 6 equals 60. We have here both like terms, right? So it's gonna be negative 6. So 60 minus 6. Here 5, 10, 4, 54, right? So 17x equal 54. You can do it on the calculator. It's gonna be 3.18. That's your final answer. And if you want to do it and substitute, you can do 3 multiply 3.18 minus 2 upon 4 plus you substitute also, so 3 multiply 3.18 plus 3 upon 3. You're gonna get 5 on both sides. When you do it, you're gonna get, I don't know what you're gonna get, but when you do that on calculator, you will get an answer. If you plus both answers together, you're gonna get 5, and that's 100% correct. That's 100% correct. Let's get a final final problem until we close the video. X upon 6, for example, minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 equal 4. I think now it's easy for you. Cross multiplication. So 3x negative, we have here negative, right? So 2x. So 2x negative 2x multiplied by 6 is equal to negative 12x, right? So negative 12x. And here negative 2 and negative 1 is gonna be plus 1. So 6 multiply plus 1 equal plus 6. And here and have we finished? Equal 4. Here negative 6 plus 4 equal negative 2. And here negative 12x and 3x, it's gonna be negative 9x equal negative 2. So it's gonna be we're gonna put it here. So 2 upon 9 will be equal, you get your answer in the calculator. When you substitute them, you will get the final answer. Now we have done linear equations from A to Z, and hope that you like it.